Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this smoky, green, and glittery look, so if you'd like to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Today I'm starting off with my base, and I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Foundation in the shade Ivory, and I'm going to be buffing it into my face with an AOA Studio F4 round kabuki brush. For concealer, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory, and I'm going to be blending it out with a dense tapered face brush. To set my under eyes and my face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Transparent on an e.l.f. powder brush. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzer in the shade Natural on a fluffy angled face brush. For contour, I'm going in with the Essence Contour Palette in Ready Set Peach on a crown brush, and I'm using that to define my cheekbones and my jawline. I'm sinking under, drowning faster, please just let me breathe. The air is leaving and I'm lost in need of you again. You break me down and you make me surrender. For blush, I'm using the Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Coral on a Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro Pointed Blush Brush. I know I'm using a lot of Essence products right now, but I'm using the center shade out of the Luminizer palette. I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and my nose with a Wet n Wild Unicorn highlighting brush. For my eyes today, I'm going in with the Colourpop and Kathleenlights Dream Street palette, and this is my first time using any Colourpop shadows, and I was really impressed with how they worked. So the first color I went in with was Magical on a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm popping that right into my crease. Since we fell in love and promised we'd never separate. Now with the same brush, I'm going in with the shade Potion, and I'm popping that right into my crease as well. That you run my life with no hope to fight, and no time to hide. And I'm sinking under, drowning faster, please just let me breathe. The air is leaving. Now with the shade Elfish, I'm going in with a defining crease brush, and I'm packing that right onto my crease, but lower. And then I'm going to be going in with my blending brush and blending it all together. Now going in with possibly my favorite color from this palette, which is the shade Water Bearer on a Bodyography Pro flat shader brush. I'm going to be packing this all over my lid. To a code we all swore, for this life we have chosen. Armed soldiers to a common war we fight, to this passion. Now I'm going to be repeating what I did in the crease to my lower lash line, starting off with Magical on a fluffy angled shadow brush. Then going in with a shade Potion and doing the same thing. on a defining crease brush, I'm going in with the shade Elfish and running that closest to my lash line. Then I'm going in with the shade Kaleidoscope on a pencil brush and highlighting my inner corner. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop Supernova Shadow in the shade From the Valley on a Be a Small defining brush. I'm going to be creating a halo effect by defining the crease and then running it down onto my lid. Next, going in straight with the wand, I'm going to pop more onto the center to really intensify it. And then going back to that brush, I'm using a little and popping it right into the center of my lower lash line. Now I'm using the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Fast Lane, and I'm going to be running that onto my waterline on the outer and inner third of my eye, but leaving the center blank. To finish off my eyes, I used the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And finally for lips, I used the Colourpop Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade Strut. And that's it. I really enjoyed how this look came out. If you did too, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one. So open your mind.